Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix zoomed out screen Windows 11. First you need to right click on the empty area on the desktop, go to display setting. If you have several monitors, select the monitor you need to change your setting. Scroll down, come to scale and layout section. Set the scale as 100% and recommended setting, and also display resolution as recommended setting. Then after you can close this one. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on display adapters, right click on your graphic driver, tap on update driver, and tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, again right click on it, tap on update driver, select the browse my computer for drivers, select this one, select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver if there is issue in driver. Then after cancel this one, and again you can right click on it, go to properties, go to driver tab. If you install latest version of your driver and the problem is comes after that one, you can roll back driver if there is a old version. In this case it is not available because I am on the latest version and there is no previous version, so you can roll back your driver to working state like this. Then after cancel this one, cancel this one. Then after you can reset your graphic driver using Control Shift Windows key plus B. You need to press that four keys simultaneously, then it will be reset the graphic driver. And then after, if it's not working, you have to go to your advanced mode. To do that, you have to go to start menu, go to power option. You need to tap on restart while you are pressing shift key in your keyboard. Then after it is restarting, and there is a menu will be appeared. You need to choose troubleshoot option. Then after advanced options, startup setting, restart. Once it is restart, you will be able to see list of options. Most of the time it will be 4 or F4 key, that depend on your computer, and it will show in that list. So you have to press that one. Then after you will be able to come to the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, again come to the desktop, right click on it, go to display setting, select your display, scroll down and try to set the recommended options in scale and display resolution. So these are the method you can try to fix your issue. If none of these method will be not working, you have to reinstall the Windows. So I think this video is helpful. If so, you can subscribe my channel and like in this video.